The 2013 Buick LaCrosse. This four-door, five-passenger sedan provides a satisfying ride for all passengers. It features an automatic transmission, all-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Top features include leather upholstery, front dual-zone air conditioning, front fog lights, turn signal indicator mirrors, blind spot sensor, remote keyless entry, and power windows. The unique heads-up display projects vehicle information onto the windshield, including speed, gear selection, and engine speed. Drivers benefit by not having to take their eyes off the road. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.